What's good, guys? How is y'all doing today? So I am in this trade right now on contact here. Now the lot size I used on this trade is not really like enough. It was supposed to be 6.8, but the platform did not allow me to use that lot size, so I just settled down for 6. It told me not enough money. And also I bought a fundednext account. Chill the fuck down, man. What happened? The trade has not even hit me out. Like, it has literally not hit me out yet. But this other guy is out. Now wow. See, it didn't even hit me. It was not up to. I just tired for these people and their spread wahala. This one is still running shadow. This one I entered late. I would say open the chart. This one I kind of entered late. Not even started trading, but it has already hit me out on the fundednext. I got a 50k phase one phase account, by the way, with a 6% maximum drawdown, and I'm down 1% right now for a trade that has not even hit my full stop loss. Can you imagine that? This is really annoying, by the way. You're battling prop firm, you're battling their rules and everything. The spread is just one thing there on its own. Fundednext does not even have a bad spread. I wonder if somebody would do me dirty like that. I think it's guilty. I don't know why they did like that, but bro, regardless, I'm holding the trade. Let's see how it's going to be. I think it's going to work out. By the way, I've been waiting for this trade since like 1 o'clock. Let's see. Anyways, I'll update you. So guys, I lost this trade, and right now I am pissed because of this thing. Just look at something I'm about to explain. Right here, you see that I lost $260 something, $61. But believe you me, I risked $217. Why? Because I was trying to use a lot size of 6.5, but they said not enough money, so I had to reduce it to 6. My intention was to try and risk $250. Now, with the 6 lot size, with the 6 standard lots, I was risking only $217, but they ended up collecting me $260, an extra more than $20. $40, sorry. And now to top it up, plus $24 commission, I ended up losing $280 in a trade where I risked $217. Let's say, okay, with commission, I would have lost at most $240 because the commission is $24. I ended up losing $283 or $85. See, to be very honest with you, being profitable is not enough to make it in the prop firm space. You understand? Being profitable is not enough to make it in the prop firm space. We've not talked about things like the commission. Yeah, it's not commission, sorry, the rules that are there in the trading, not because of anything, but just to make sure you don't you don't make money from the program or from the prop firm. That is what all those rules are there. Things like don't trade news, lot size restriction, news, don't hold trades over a day, don't hold trade over a weekend. All these things obstructing real trading, obstructing people's edge, obstructing people's system, trailing drawdown, all those kind of things. Like, that's just a few that I can think of right now. The prop firm game is actually a losing game if you think about it. Like, if we're going to be real with ourselves, the prop firm game to some level is also an illusion. Being profitable is not enough reason to make it as a prop firm trader. Being profitable is not enough reason. You understand? You need more than being profitable to make it as a prop firm trader. You get what I mean? And it's just crazy because right now I sit and look at myself and I'm really, really angry with myself for one reason. I have put so much hope and time in prop firm trading. Like, I made it like the only way I'm going to be able to get capital and trade. You understand? Because of this reason, I don't grow a live account. I just fund small money and try to trade it. I don't grow a live account. And I'm just imagining if, let's say, like for the past 12 months, if I was like making money every month from wherever I make money and fund a live account, a particular amount of money. Ajay, you will not believe how much I would have had in that account. Not just that, I would have had enough money in that account to be able to cater for every team when I use money during the month. Like from my profit on a winning day, minus joke. You get what I mean? I would have If I tell you I would have had more than 10k in that account, believe me. Just believe me. I'm telling you the truth. And I'm just looking at it. It's just annoying. Like, if you think about all these things, how can you collect? How can you charge for spread and charge for commission? Like, it is just crazy. You charge for spread and commission. Why? If it is not wickedness, if you don't have, because you might think, oh, it's just $20. See, if you take 10 trade, $20 become $200. You don't get it. Okay. 10 trades, 20 becomes 200. So you understand that commission they are charging. We have not talked about the spread. So in 10 trades, they can collect you 0.5%. In 10 trades, they can collect you 1%. Sometimes slippage. Like today now, I got slipped out for more than $40. That one said no accounting. We have no account for all those one. No. And you see this quanta care, you see, so on, like, if I've taken 100 trades on quanta care, 80 of them have been slipped a little bit above more than what I initially risked. It's just crazy, bro. Like, we need to be strong in this industry. It takes more than being profitable to actually make money from prop firms. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, man. I got inspired by the loss to say all this. We go again tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. This week, I still think it's going to be great. It's just one loss. We can cover it up with one trade. Let's do it. What's good, guys? How is y'all doing today? Bless y'all for tuning in. So today is Wednesday and I just took my second trade of the week. Let me show you the trade right now. So I'm in this trade right now. Let me show you the risk immediately. $230 something. I'm showing that risk because, for example, it closed for minus. You will start seeing so much inflation in the risk. It will look as if I don't know what I calculated. But look at it. This is what it's running like. It's a USD card sell at the moment. As you can see, I just entered now after this tap of this supply here. So let's see. I'm looking for it to come down for about a 1:2. I wouldn't stay too much. I won't be greedy today. The 1:2 is fine for me and I'll be out of the market. Because if you come to the 1 hour time frame here, this level, you get it's like a target. Then I'm out. It could go down, but I'm not sure I want to hold. I trade based on levels, and this level is something I can take profit and just leave. But this is a weekly level. The price can reject from here. This is a weekly high or low. I don't know right now. But let's see. I'm in the trade right now. I'm in the trade. I'm holding. So I'm going to update you guys. I'm definitely going to update you guys. Let's see how it goes. I'm holding. So guys, this is what price looks like right now. It's going straight to my stop loss. As you can see, it's quickly approaching stop loss. I'll be very lucky for price to reverse here. There's a very low chance that will happen. Look at what it looks like here. Quickly approaching stop loss. It might, at this point, it might hit me out. You understand? So regardless, man, it's what it is. So guys, that trade smashed my stop loss. And let me show you something. Now, first of all, this is the setup here. It smashed my stop loss. It smashed me out. Now look at something. You remember I showed you the risk. It was 230 something I was risking. You get it? I ended up collecting $268. Not just that, plus commission of $19. I collected $287. This is what these people do. Like, you take one trade, you risk a particular amount, they collect spread, they collect commission. Anyways, there's no need to say anything more. I said everything in the previous day. What do I want to say again? It's what it is. This is what these platforms do. That's to say, for example, let's say I risk $250, or let's say I risk 1% and I lost straight 10 trades in a row. Like around my 8th trade, the account is gone. Mind you, I didn't take up to 10, but 8 loss, the account is gone. Why? Spread and commission or slippage. You see, this thing is not spread, this is slippage. You understand? Spread will be few dollars. Slippage is what is going to take it from 231 or 230 watts, whatever it was, to 268. Why the slippage? These platforms know what they are doing. It's just their way of their edge over you. This is despite the fact that some traders are not profitable. They still add this small slippage to remove more money as possible, so you blow the account. That's just what it is. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Let's see. There's still Thursday, Friday. We could still recover back. I'm 2 hours down for the week. Let's see how it goes. What's good, guys? And how is y'all doing? I just took a loss now on US card. Sorry, Let me show you how something. Let me show you how something. So first of all, this is the loss. This is the loss I took here. You get. Now look at this trade. This trade has not even hit my stop loss yet. It has not even hit my stop loss. Let's go to. Let me even show you here. Let's see if it's going to be able to pinpoint what I want to show you. So if you look here, you're going to see. Let me see. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let me use the 1 minute time frame and show you how this thing. So look at something here. Now pay attention to where I executed this trade around here. Though this is the 1 minute time frame, which is to say there's a lot of gap above. But this trade, they executed me above, like not even on the candle. I executed on this candle, this second red candle here, but executed me above here. Just imagine, they executed me above here where there is no even candle because of what? Because of spread. It's not even spread because the spread is relatively small. If you calculate from here to here, you get it's relatively very small. Very, very small. You understand? But look at what they did here. They executed me here, which is like 2 or 3 pips above. Then my stop loss, I had to place it close. My stop loss was supposed to be low. This was when it would have stopped me out. So, and to top it all off, I risked $230, but I lost $270 plus commission $22, putting me at $290, about $300 loss in a trade I risked $230. I even see what's going on here in this trading. Because of how fast this trade was, I didn't even take it on my 50k account. I didn't take it on the new fundednext 50k account. Honestly, if you want to get the Profem account, go and buy something like fundednext, you understand, FTMO, Fivers. Those Profem will give you good trading condition. I understand this is USD card I am trading. The spread on USD card is big, but the slippage, you know, QuantaKL is a broker backed prop firm. They can't tell me that they do not have the technology or the server to reduce the slippage. But one thing people will have to understand about prop firm is that these are one of their edges against traders. Imagine putting in 10% for phase 1 and 5% for phase 2, 30% in total. Then you still need to have the live account and trade to make money before you make a percentage before you can withdraw. But with all this bad trading condition, it's what it is. This is the phase I find myself. We'll scale, we'll survive. That's just what I will say. So guys, about 2 o'clock in the morning, Saturday morning, I'm posting this video by 12. Let me give you all an update. So this is the new 50k account I bought on fundednext, and I later took a trade on USD card on Friday. You get it? Why? Because price kind of came back down. So I took another trade, and it stopped me out. Obviously stopped me out, as you can see there. So this is the fundednext account I just bought right now, and as you can see, this is the account balance here. I'm also down about 3% at the moment. There are 3 trading days, which is crazy, man. I have 6% to blow this account, by the way. 6p and this account is gone. As you can see here, it's a 1 step. So another thing I noticed is that I only traded US card this week, the whole week US card, and it was a 3 loss. They trade on Wednesday. Let me show you that trade. Now on Wednesday, I took this trade that was kind of like a very, very clean break and retest going down the slope, but it stopped me out. It stopped me out here and still went down again in my direction. Though if I kind of was patient enough and waited for it to tap this level full, it would have been a clean 1:2 trade. But I was not. So I entered. I still followed my rules, everything, but a little bit more patient would have helped me to win this trade. 3 L's for the week is just crazy, man. It's just crazy. I don't even want to look back and think about the losses. It's just gonna mess up the psychology, or mess up the mental strength, or just finish my mental capital in them plain words. You understand? It's tough. Don't think it's not. It's very tough. I'm going through like the toughest time of my trading. Like my entire 5 years of trading, this is the worst. Point blank period is the worst. I'm scaling, I'm holding, I'm still pushing. This is the P&L for the week. Risks managed, but I didn't like things like my execution. You understand? The trades I took this week, I didn't like them. It's something I'm going to come next week and try to do better. A reminder, please do not sleep on your losses, getting angry, linking it to bad things that have happened in your past, making it feel like you're not
you're unlucky. You understand? Because there's how you can take a loss and you be like, oh, this is how my life is. It's so fucked up. Is this, is that. The truth is, there's no business with this loss or these losses I've taken now. Jesus Christ, English. There's no link from these losses I've taken to any other negative thing that have happened in my life. Point blank period. There's no need to stress it. That is just the truth. You understand? So this is kind of like a mental trick that I learned from Mark Douglas in particular. It can help you. It can really help you because it's very easy to link it to all the negative things that have happened to you. So yeah, this is trading for the week. I come back next week and do it again. Understand? I come back next week and try to be profitable. I'm still going to catch those good trades. I know this is not going to last forever. Y'all are going to stay here and you're going to see it. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I really appreciate if you do that for the boy. I'll catch you guys next week.